Get up to 4.5% interest annually and send money to other banks for free. Hey guys, Ray here. I've talked about Seabank before and their high interest rates which are being credited daily. You can check my videos here. Before anything else, let's talk about their interest rates. The first time I posted, up to 6% per annum ang interest nila. And ngayon, up to 4.5% na lang. These digital banks usually have higher interest rates versus traditional banks, but they tend to lower pag mas nakikilala na sila. I'll be discussing more about this on the next video, so stay tuned. Now, may bagong update ulit si Seabank as of November 6. Account balances up to 400,000 pesos will earn 4.5 interest annually. And any amount in excess of 400,000 pesos will earn a 3% per annum interest rate. Though bumaba, they still give daily interest rates and free transfers via InstaPay and PesoNet. And may cashback sila on all payments plus 3% off on load purchases. On the dashboard, dito sa total earnings, makikita nyo yung total net interest na na-earn nyo since nag-open kayo ng account sa Seabank. And then, this is the interest rate na sinabi ko sa inyo earlier. I'll be showing you kung paano mag-send to other Seabank accounts and to other bank accounts for free. First, let's send to another Seabank account. On the dashboard, punta kayo sa Pay or Transfer. Then, input the mobile number, account number, or name ng pagsasendan nyo. Andito sa baba yung list of phone contacts nyo. Then, input the amount you want to transfer. So, transferring to a Seabank account is real-time and free of charge ang pag-transfer. Pwede kayo maglagay ng notes or add to favorite kung madalas niyong pagsasendan tong account. Click Next. Confirm the account details, kung saan manggagaling and kung saan ipapadala, and then click Confirm. Enter your PIN, and for added security, kailangan i-verify with face recognition. Okay. Click Proceed, and ayan. The amount has been transferred to another Seabank account. Click Share or take a screenshot. Click Done. Then, makikita nyo agad na nabawasan yung account nyo. Now, I'm using another Seabank account and try natin mag-transfer sa ibang bank account. Again, go to Pay Transfer, select Other Bank. Tapos, dito tayo sa BDO. Type in yung account number, the account name, and then input the amount na gusto nyo i-transfer. So, in my case, nagka-error ako because the amount I'm transferring exceeds yung transfer limit ko, which is 10,000 pesos. Para makapag-send kayo, kailangan yung i-update yung limit. So, click Change Limit. Ang daily limit ko is 50,000 and transaction limit to other banks and e-wallets is currently 10,000. So, gawin natin, say, 100,000. Pero nagka-error tayo because mas mababa yung daily limit natin versus yung transaction limit to other banks and e-wallets. So, of course, mas mataas dapat ang daily limit. So, gawin na lang din natin 100,000. Save, and then let's transfer. So, may matatanggap kayong notification sa taas na na-update na yung limit natin. Click Next. You can see free transfers tayo through InstaPay and PesoNet, and weekly free transfers are refreshed every Monday. Currently, meron akong 15 na free transfers remaining. Click OK and then next. Pero balik muna tayo. Now, try natin sa PesoNet naman. Difference ni InstaPay and PesoNet is InstaPay is real-time and PesoNet is at least one banking day. So, just to try, dito tayo sa PesoNet. Both naman is, again, free. Again, facial verification. Click proceed. And yan, transfer successful via PesoNet. Okay, ngayon try naman natin kay BPI. Same process, select other bank, BPI, input the account name and then account number. So, kay BPI, let's try InstaPay naman, real time. Same process. As you can see, updated na dito agad na nag-transfer tayo to both banks. Check natin si BDO. As expected, dahil through PesoNet tayo, wala pa yung transfer. And sa BPI naman, dahil through InstaPay and real-time ang transfers, kita natin agad yung transfer na 30,000 pesos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!